We love strolling the beach and do that most every Sunday morning. Lately, the beach at the north end of Captiva Island has been our choice. See the turtle nest? You might see anything. Oh, that's the decision maker there. These are sanderlings. They like to eat sand crabs and other invertebrates. They're easier to find in the wet sand left by the receding waves. Fun to watch, too. Ah, listen to the waves. I added the music. There aren't any DJs on the beach. You probably already knew that. We weren't totally alone, just mostly alone. Some people like to camp out next to the turtle's nest. I don't know, maybe they're waiting for something to happen. Then before you know it, you're at the Mucky Duck, where you can take your own shadow picture, borrow one of their chairs, scan the beach, see if there's anything worth watching, listen to the sound. That's a larger, more upscale model. Must be from Naples. This reminds me, I need to get a telephoto lens. There's my girl. She borrowed one of those chairs I was telling you about. No matter where you go on Captiva, you're going to see a reminder of Hurricane Ian. This was shot 10 months after the hurricane. For breakfast, we stopped at RC Otters. Interesting menu. We shared their ultimate seafood omelet. Their hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. for whenever you might be hungry. Thanks for watching. Maybe we'll see you at the beach.